In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Tradingview strategy, understanding how to utilize Tradingview for backtesting. Your strategies can empower you to make more informed trading decisions. Let's dive into the step-by-step guide to get started with your Tradingview strategy setup. First, you'll need to create or load a strategy. If you're new to Tradingview, this might sound daunting at first, but it's simpler than it seems. Begin by navigating to the bottom panel of your Tradingview interface and look for the Pine Editor tab. This is where all the magic happens. Clicking on this tab will open up the area where you'll write or paste your strategy script. Now, if you have an existing strategy script, you can simply paste it here. But if you're feeling adventurous and want to write your own, this is the place to do it. A critical thing to remember when you're writing your strategy script is to define it as a strategy right at the top of the script. This is crucial for the Tradingview platform to recognize that you're inputting a strategy and not just any script. Once that is set up, it's time to lay out your entry and exit logic. This is done using functions like strategy.entry for entering a trade and strategy, exit for exiting a trade, among others. This is where you can really customize your strategy to match your trading style and requirements. Be as specific and deliberate here as possible, since these rules will dictate how your strategy performs in the simulation. After you've written your script, don't forget to hit saving. Saving your script ensures that you won't lose your work and that you can go back and make adjustments if necessary. Next, you'll want to see your strategy in action, so go ahead and click on Add to Chart. This action runs your strategy simulation and displays the trades it would have executed directly on your chart. It's a powerful visual tool that allows you to see firsthand how your strategy would perform given historical data. To analyze the performance of your strategy even further, open the Strategy Tester tab, which is conveniently located right next to the Pine Editor. Here, you'll find various features to help you evaluate the effectiveness of your strategy. The Overview section provides you with a snapshot of the net profit, the drawdown, and the total trade count, giving you a quick understanding of how your strategy is doing overall. For those who love a more detailed analysis, the Performance Summary breaks down entry and exit statistics, offering insights into how often your strategy enters and exits trades and the effectiveness of these actions. Lastly, the List of Trades feature is invaluable as it provides a detailed trade history, allowing you to scrutinize each trade your strategy would have executed. And that's it. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to creating and testing your own strategies on Tradingview. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide informative.